Welcome back to Can I 3D It? This episode, a playground. Colorful, fun, and a challenge. Our kind of place. Let's get started. Hopefully no kids on the slide. After making sure no kids were on the slides, for this flight I kept it simple. Just one pass around the structure. And back. After the flight, I pulled frames from every angle. Honestly, wasn't sure which ones would work, so I just took them all. Then filtered out the ones that didn't make the cut. When the web ODM processing finishes, there's always that moment. You just want to see what came out. Here's the result. A few holes here and there. But the kids won't complain. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. More coming. See you in the next one.